Hello everyone, my today's topic is the magical flour mill. Uh, Once upon a time in a small village nestled amid lush green fields, there are excited a humble flour mill, but this was no ordinary mill. It possessed a magical secret. It was known as the Jadui Chakki or the magical flour mill. The legends whispered that anyone who used it would be granted extraordinary blessing and wisdom. Word of the Jadui Chakki spread far and wide, captivating the curiosity of people from distant lands. They heard tales of its incredible powers, whispered from one generation to the next. The mile stood as a symbol of hope and possibility, promising abundance and enlightenment to those who were fortunate enough to encounter it. One day, a young villager named Raju stumbled upon the Jadui Chakki, intrigued by the stories he had heard, but he approached it with reverence and respect as he began turning the mile. He was astonished to witness the transformation before his eyes. The grains poured into the mill, transformed into the finest flour, overflowing with goodness and nourishment. But it wasn't just the floor that was enchanted. With every rotation of the wheel, the Jadui Chakki whispered ancient wisdom into Raju's ears. The mill shared tales of kindness, perseverance, and the importance of the sharing one's blessing with others. Raju listened attentively, absorbing the profound lessons that echoed through the air. Over time, Raju became more than a mere observer. He became a embodiment of the mill's teaching. He shared the magical floor with his fellow villager, and the magical floor with his the fellow villager, ensuring that no one went hungry. The floor not only satisfied their physical hunger but also nourished their soul, as they could feel the love and care that Raju had imbued into it. The Jadui Chakki's power grew stronger with each act of the selflessness and compassion. It transformed the lives of those who encountered in inspiring them to be kinder, more generous, and more understanding. People from all walks of life began to gather around the mill, drawn by its uh, enhancement and the transformative impact it had on their lives. The village thrived not just in terms of material wealth but also in the richness of its community bonds. The Jadui Chakki taught the villages that true magic lies not in possessions or external miracle, but in the power of love, empathy, and shared humanity. The story of the Jadui Chakki serves as a timeless reminder that the greatest treasure in life are often found within our lives. It argues us to embrace kindness, to uplift others, and to cherish the simple blessing that surround us every day. So let the enchantment of the Jadui Chakki inspire you. Be the bearer of the magical flower, spreading joy, nourishment, and wisdom wherever you go. May this tale remind us all that in acts of kindness and generosity we truly experience the magic of life. Thank you. That's all about my topic.